There's a couple of interesting things going on down on the waterfront here. So out here we've got a row of boats doing a sail pass. So it's one of the local yacht clubs. Every year they come out and all of the member boats sail past the committee boat, which is this guy just down here. And then on this side we have a visit from Colombia. So this is one of the Colombian historical Navy ships. Absolutely beautiful boat, the biggest flag you've ever seen. And yeah, I think they're in town for a few days, and a lot of people going checking it out. Beautiful Sunday in Vancouver. We're out on a hike. It's the Twin Bridges Trail up at Seymour. And yeah, that's 3 kilometers, nice short hike. Nice day for it. We just came down the trail, and this is the river we're running alongside. Absolutely stunning. So we're down at Rice Lake, which is part of our hike. So we're about 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers into the hike, about another 2 or 3 to go. And right now we're just walking past this lake, so just north of Vancouver. Sunny day, and